Black Monday, Monday Mayhem, or Bloodbath on D Street. Social media and your TV screens must be flooded with these today, as both the Sensex and Nifty 50 took a massive hit, and we saw one of the biggest sell offs in recent history. At close, the Nifty ended below 22,200 and Sensex tanked over 2,227 points. All of this happened because global markets are feeling the pressure from fears of a recession in the US. The trade war between the US and other nations, driven by President Trump's tariffs, is causing this panic. Now, it might feel like the worst is here, but stock market crashes have happened before. In fact, India has seen some of its biggest crashes and recovered. Let's take a look at the top 5. First up, the Harshad Mehta scam in 1992. The market crashed after it was revealed that Mehta had manipulated stocks, leading to a scam of over 4,000 crore rupees. On April 28, 1992, the Sensex fell 570 points, or about 12.7%. This crash changed India's financial system forever, leading to stronger regulations. Next was the Ketan Parekh scam in 2001. The market was still recovering from the dot-com bubble burst when Parekh's scam was uncovered. The Sensex dropped 176 points, about 4.13% on March 2, 2001, and was made worse by the Gujarat earthquake and global uncertainty. In 2004, India had a major shock when the election results went against expectations. The UPA won against the NDA, which led to fears about policy uncertainty. On May 17, 2004, the Sensex fell by 11.1%, causing a lot of panic and even triggered 2 trading day halts that day. The global financial crisis in 2008 was another massive crash. On January 21, 2008, the Sensex plunged by over 1,408 points, or about 7.4%. The crash was linked to the US's Lehman Brothers collapse and fears of a global recession. The Sensex lost nearly 60% of its value in the following months. And finally, the COVID pandemic in 2020. On March 23, 2020, the Sensex took a brutal hit, crashing 3,935 points, which is about 13.12%, as India went into a nationwide lockdown. It was the worst single-day crash in Indian history. However, the markets recovered quickly after the government and RBI stepped in with support measures. So while today's correction was significant, it's not the first time the market has taken a big hit. Trends have shown that India has recovered from these stock market crashes and hopefully will be able to erase losses made today as well. Now, when will markets recover? That is something to watch out for. And that brings us to the end of this video. Stay tuned to NDTV Profit for more.